For the price of one of these, you're just not gonna find a more fun and reliable car than a 7th generation 6.6 Accord. And that's a fact. Oh my gosh, look at this guy standing on the brakes. Bro, drive, bro.
I'm tired of suffering.
Oh, this ST behind me really wants smoke. Oh my goodness, this freaking car, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking gosh. Too bad that ST is going the other. Don't do it, sir. This car is freaking amazing. Now I gotta do more dialing into the suspension. Ooh, ever since I got the wider wheels and tires. Well, the tires are the same, but I got wider wheels, so the rubbing, uneven tire wear, but after that, we could really go at it. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea where I am. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! This is just too much fun. Way too much fun. He'll tow it. I want to do a poll, but is that a cop? I wear glasses for a reason, okay? And I need a new prescription, so cut me some slack.
No.